Hello everyone. So need help buying groceries? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to apply for food and nutrition services, also known as food stamps in North Carolina. First, gather the documents you'll need. Don't worry if you don't have everything right away, you can still apply and update your info later. And so the things like you'll need are ID, let me show you government issued ID, social security numbers, proof of income, household bills, medical expenses, and other benefit documents if you receive Medicaid, SSI, or TANF. Uh, then you have to submit the application online. You can do it through online pass or ePass. And now, once you click on this link, it will take you to another website where you'll need to create an account or apply without one. Now you can click on this link to know more about the ePass application process. Just let me show you quickly. This will take you to this video. You can
Welcome
see
to
this channel right here, and this video explains everything about ePass. Now, if you prefer, you can fill out the paper form and drop it off or mail it to your county's DSS office. Right, to get the address, just click this link here to find that local DSS office on your state. Like now, after submitting your application, a caseworker will contact you to schedule an interview. This can happen in person, by phone, or via a video call. If you applied online, you'll usually hear back within a few days. And they will confirm your eligibility and explain how much assistance you can receive. Now, if you have questions or need language help, call 866-719-0141. For hearing assistance, dial 711. You can also visit your local DSS office. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to apply for food stamps in North Carolina.